Good job. RJ is certainly on his way to improving his exercise program, and now it's your turn to develop an exercise program for Norbert and Zot. The students at Princess Anne Middle School in Virginia Beach, Virginia, will show you this program's web activity. There are 2 parts to the web activity. In the first part, called the Exercise Project, Norbert and Zot are on their Galactic Fitness 9000 treadmills. Their doctor and trainer have asked them to exercise 60 minutes a day and maintain an average heart rate of 100 beats per minute. Their doctor has divided their 60 minutes into 6 10-minute periods with a constant heart rate during each period. Your first job is to pick heart rate targets for each segment to make their average come to 100 beats per minute. Then you become the trainer and pick a good exercise plan for them and estimate their average heart rate for your plan. In the second part of the web activity, called the Heart Plot Project, you need to measure and record data on your own heart rate. Plot your data using the Squeak Heart Plotter. By analyzing the data on your plots, you will see how your heart rate changes as you exercise. Now it's your turn to take the Nutrition and Exercise Challenge, brought to you by the National Space Biomedical Research Institute. Working in groups, you will choose one of 7 specialty menu cards. Select from a person with hypertension, a strict vegetarian, a pregnant woman, a person who is lactose intolerant, a diabetic, an athlete in training, or an astronaut in space. You will plan a menu for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks that meets the particular dietary needs described on the specialty menu card. You will also create an exercise program for the specialty menu card you choose. The instructions and materials can be downloaded from the NASA Connect website. Then, submit your nutrition plan and exercise program to the NASA Connect website. There's a good chance that your plan and program will be seen by millions of students across the country. Well, guys, that wraps up another episode of NASA Connect. We'd like to thank everyone who helped make this program possible. And you know, RJ, he's doing fantastic with his fitness and nutrition program, and we're going to keep our fingers crossed that he makes the cross-country team. As for us at NASA, we hope that you will consider how to improve and maintain your good health. Got a comment, question, or suggestion? Well, then email them to connect@lark.nasa.gov. Or pick up a pen and mail them to NASA Connect, NASA Langley Center for Distance Learning, NASA Langley Research Center, Mail Stop 400, Hampton, Virginia 23681. So until next time, stay connected to math, science, technology, and NASA. Here's to your health. See you then.